All right, welcome to this weekend market analysis. Once again, the charts are looking quite interesting after some slow price action. Let's just take a minute or two to review some of our recent trades. Looking into our VIP Telegram channel, this is the euro against the Australian dollar for those of you who are members. You remember we took this trade, all right? So we went long some time ago. Just we took 71 pips, all right, 71 pips out of that pair, although it kept pushing to the upside, but we were satisfied with that. We took that trade out and we are done. We move on to our next trade, which was in gold, all right, XAU USD. Those of you who remember, we went short on this pair, all right. We went short right there in the 4 hours time frame, and of course you know, gold is traded in points. We took out 131 points out of that trade for a 50% profit. Then we took 30% at 220 points, all right. That was a good move, and finally the 20% price made some retracement, and we closed that for 102 points. We closed the remaining portion at 102 points. Then last week we took a trade on the euro against the Japanese yen, the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to show you that in the chart. That trade performed nicely as well. As you can see, we cashed out 50% of our profit at 53 pips. Then we took out another 30% at 105 pips. That means we still have 20% running in the chart. Okay, that 20%, you will see that in the euro against the Japanese yen. You can see that 20% still on. Price made a little wiggle before the market closed. Well, we are still bearish. We are holding this 20%, hoping that price again will make some pushes to the downside. So we'll hold it, be patient with that. Hopefully we'll get some moves. All right, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see those high impact news announcements that are scheduled for this upcoming trading week. As you can see, we have quite a lot, all right, quite a lot of high impact news announcement. So hopefully this is going to be a very busy trading week. Okay, so put on your seatbelt, take note of this news announcement schedule, just to be sure you are not caught up in any of those news, especially if you're an intraday trader. Okay, back to the charts. Let's look into the New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen. Well, most of the Japanese yen pairs are beginning to move. In fact, the yen gained some strength as of last week, and we're expecting that we will see more strength from the yen. Now, the New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen, I just want to show you that just like we analyzed in the last week, this pair is trading against heavy level of resistance. Now you can see the reaction of that level as of last week. Okay, the reaction of this level as of last week. You see that candle? That is a huge rejection bar right there. Are we going to take this trade? Well, I am going to be telling you whether we will take the trade or not once the market opens. For now, no decision yet, but we know we got a reaction of that bar. Okay, like I said, a lot of pairs are looking quite good, and so let's not waste time. Let's move into other pairs. The sterling pounds against the American dollar. This is one good trade I missed. All right, we missed this trade as of last week. We were supposed to go long. You can see the setup here. That was a solid breakout bar right there. This was the pullback, and this was the bounce candle, right? The bounce candle was supposed to trigger our entry. This candle was supposed to trigger our entry. We're supposed to have made even up to 70 pips right now. Okay, we're supposed to have made that pips. That was what I was talking about, that I actually missed one. All right, this was that one trade that I missed. I over delayed. Okay, but now again, let me sound this. The American dollar is going weak. The sterling pounds is getting stronger. We expect to see more upside in this pair. I am actually thinking that we may see price move all the way to somewhere around here. Okay, so around the 1.34320 area, price might come all the way there. So we are heavily bullish in the sterling pounds against the American dollar. We'll be looking for opportunities to the upside. Now the euro against the sterling pounds here in the daily time frame. Well, this is one type of setup that I actually don't like to trade, but I am just showing you that we may be getting involved. All right, anyhow, we'll let you know. But that should be our trigger candle. That candle is a reversal candle of this level of support, so we'll be expecting to see price make some pushes to the upside in the euro against the sterling pounds. Okay, keep that in mind. Anyhow, if we get involved, we will let you know. Then we have the euro against the Canadian dollar. Well, here this pair is heavily pointing to the upside. I am seeing that price has broken above this key level of resistance. The breakout is quite nice. You can see the momentum bar of that breakout. All right, and then we are getting a congestion bar immediately after that breakout. You see, this is a congestion candle immediately after that breakout. Although I do not like this type of congestion bar, I always like to see that congestion bar just around somewhere there. Okay, but now we have this ugly looking congestion bar. If we are going to be taking this trade, well, I will also let you know. But bear in mind that for now, the euro against the Canadian dollar price is pointing to the upside, except if price fails and come back down. At any rate, we'll be looking for opportunity to get long, and if we find the entry, you will be the first to know. And finally, the euro against the American dollar. This pair also, you don't need to underestimate the power of the bulls here. The euro against the American dollar is pointing heavily to the upside, and our best interest here is to keep searching for long opportunities. In fact, let me zoom into the forward time frame. Now you can clearly see that this ugly looking trend line here, all right, in fact price has been struggling to take out the previous swing low. Okay, but then you can see the breakout happens right there. So we'll be waiting to see how to continue looking for buy opportunities in the euro against the American dollar. This pair is bearish in our analysis, and we'll keep searching for long opportunities here. Okay, so for now, that's all about it. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you again if I find the need to do so. Bye for now.